These crafty characters have many ingenious ways of finding a meal. Trees contain hidden treasures. It just takes a bit of know-how to find them. A fat and juicy longhorn beetle larva to capture the crow's ingenious hunting skill. Crow's keen vision soon pinpoints the real larvae that won't be easy to reach. However, this is a bird with a plan. She selects a tool of the perfect length. She probes deep into the hole, dexterously aiming for the larva's jaws. Its bite seals its fate. The crow disarms the larva, removing its powerful jaws. The grubs are so large and nutritious, a few a day is all she needs.